Hi, my name is Dr. Kelly McClure, and I'm here to tell you why psychology is a terrific major and why LaSalle is the perfect place to be a psychology major. Psychology is a terrific major because there are many, many paths that a student can take in their career. About half of undergraduate psychology majors go right into the workforce, and the other half go on to graduate studies, but not just in psychology, also law, medicine, and business. So an undergraduate degree in psychology helps students develop some important leadership skills that will allow them to pursue these many paths. The first leadership skill is something called scientific reasoning. This is a skill for understanding and thinking critically about scientific information and using it to make important decisions in their work. We focus heavily on this in our major in psychology here at LaSalle, through our coursework and also through our opportunities outside of the classroom. With regard to the carefully designed curriculum, beyond the scientific reasoning coursework, we have electives in a variety of areas that students can choose from. These include human development, learning, cognition, and also some specialized areas such as sports psychology and forensic psychology. Many of our psychology majors also double major in another area that will help them hone their interests, such as criminal justice. Now, with regard to the major, this carefully designed curriculum is one important thing to look for, and ours is carefully designed to support students towards these many, many different paths. The other thing you should be looking for is a department where faculty are mentors first. We have 18 full-time faculty who are at the heart of their career. They are our teachers and mentors first. Our department is full of faculty with a breadth of psychology interests and expertise that range from cognition and learning to cognitive behavioral therapy to psychology of women and international psychology of women. We are here to support our students again in their interests and helping them to be the professional that they aim to be. So that brings me to some professional experiences or experiences in professional development that are important as well. In psychology, there are two main ways that students get practice in the field. The first is through research assistantships. At LaSalle, students can begin to assist with research as early as their first semester. They can attend faculty research teams, and they can also assist our doctoral students in their doctoral dissertation studies as well. And then in their junior and senior year, students can take up to 3 semesters of independent research where they can develop and present their own research study. We have two departmental conferences. One is in the fall, and that is our Diversity Forum, where students present their research on diversity and individual differences. And then we have a psychology showcase in the spring where students present a variety of work. And we also have a well-renowned speaker provide our annual Grimes-Burke lecture that is an endowed lecture that has been set up by our faculty and supported by our alumni as well. In addition to the research experiences, students can pursue up to 2 semesters of 4-credit internship. Now, this is something else that's important for you to look for in a psychology department, regardless of whether you choose LaSalle, but we do this very, very well here at LaSalle. We partner closely with our Career Center to help students identify internships that are a great match with their interests. Being in Philadelphia as well as the Philadelphia metropolitan area, there are a lot of options, and we have a huge alumni network to draw from as well. Philadelphia is also a big psychology hub, so there are a lot of different psychology opportunities here in Philadelphia. So students in their junior or senior year can express interest in pursuing an internship for credit. When they do that, we connect them right up with the Career Center And folks there will help students develop their resume, practice their interviewing skills, and again, identify an internship that's a perfect match for their interests. This is also a great stepping stone for students to hone their resumes and start to practice their job interviewing skills for after graduation. Our state-of-the-art career center is equipped to help psychology students find a great match with their interests. They will help students in applying for graduate school or applying for jobs in their area of interest. And again, our faculty provide a bridge between our students and our career center. Our faculty meet at least twice a year with each of our students and talk about which courses they're going to select, as well as how those match with their career interests and their skills and interests as well. So, I hope that I have convinced you that psychology is a great major. I hope that I've convinced you that LaSalle is the perfect place to pursue a psychology major. I love the major, I love psychology, and I love our department, but most of all, I love our students and our alumni. They are terrific, terrific people to be around, terrific people to work with, and I hope you will join our team as well.